Has this ever happened to you? What up world, it's BK here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the latch on a 2007 Toyota Yaris. Our hatch latch has stopped working. So recently we went to a junkyard and picked one up. Yeah, it's somewhere in here. Oh, here it is. So what's going on is the latch here sometimes gets stuck open, so it's not always closing. It's pretty simple to replace. The hardest part is getting off this plastic piece. To do this, you're gonna need everyone's favorite socket, 10mm, and one of these things. I think this one's gonna work the best. I'll show you why later, but you're also gonna want something that's flat, sort of like this, or a flathead screwdriver. Some kind of like small flat pick. And I'll show you why in a little bit. So this piece here covers where the latch's like electronic pieces are. So if we can take a look at this one, you can see that we have 3 bolts here, and then this just goes into an electronic piece. So yeah, we kind of just, I think we just kind of pry this down. They seem to need to be pulled straight down. Like that. Yeah, you wanna apply an even pressure downwards, and then they will kind of pop out. Did you have guessed it? It's dusty, like everything else on this car. So these are the clips I was talking about. They basically just seat into the little holes here, and then with enough downward even pressure, they pop out. And then these fit around this channel. So now we can get a pretty good view of the latch, and we can see here that, yeah, it's stuck. It doesn't seem like it's always working. So remove these bolts. Okay, so now that we have the bolts out, we just need to remove the electrical piece, and then I'll show you what we needed the flat thing for. Okay, it might be pretty hard to see, but what you need to use this for is to pry out. You see this clip here? It has little points for it to come in, so you have to use this to get between it and pry it out, you see? It's a bit of a struggle, but there we go. Out with the old, in with the new. Oh! Yes! Thanks for hanging out with me. Now you know how to replace the hatch on a 2007 Toyota Yaris or most hatchback Toyotas. If you learned something, please hit the like button or subscribe. Let me know if there's something else you would like to see. And if you're ready to watch some more videos on how to fix your car, check this out.